time and work. We will discuss the topic of time and work by using some examples. The first example is that Raja is able to complete a certain task in 5 days, whereas Sunil completes the same in 7 days. Now, to complete the same task, Raja is taking 5 days and Sunil is taking 7 days. If they both are working together, how long will they take to complete the same task? Now that means, let us first write down the time taken by Raja to complete the task. That is, you write it like this: Raja takes how much time? Raja takes 5 days to complete the task. To complete. Now we will write the time taken by Raja, that is 5 days, like this, and the next step will be to find out the work done by Raja in 1 day. Now if you want to calculate this, you have to understand that if the total work is done by Raja in 5 days, total work is done by Raja in 5 days, how much work will be done by Raja in 1 day? It will be 1/5 of work, right? If in 5 days he is able to complete total work, in 1 day he will be able to do only 1/5 of that. Now similarly, the question is asking us that the Sunil is able to take how many days? 7 days. So you write Sunil takes 7 days to complete the same task, right? So that means we can calculate the work done by Sunil in 1 day. That will be equal to the 1/7 of work, because in 7 days he was able to complete the total task. So in 1 day he will be able to do only 1/7 of that total work. So now we have the work done by Raja in 1 day, that is 1/5 of work, and work done by Sunil in 1 day, that is 1/7 of work. We have to find out how long will they take to complete the same task. So what we'll do, if they work together, now they are going to work together, so that means the work done total, the work done by both in 1 day. In 1 day, if they work together, how much work will be done? Work done by Raja in 1 day plus the work done by Sunil in 1 day, that is 1/5 plus 1/7. The LCM is 35. You get 7 plus 5 and you get 12/35. That means in 1 day, if they work together, they are able to finish the 12/5 of work. So you write in 1 day the 12/5 of work is done. If you want to find out, like what is the question asking, the work done, the total work done by both will be in how many days? So that will be, if in 1 day they do 12/35 of work, the total work will be done in 1 into 35 upon 12 days, right? And this comes out to be 35 upon 12 days as the answer. So if they work total, right, the total work done by both, you will write the total work done by both will be in 35/12 days. So that is how you can use this concept in calculating the answer.